Now, so I have copied my rafters, my trusses across here. Let's go into a 3D and I'll take my roof. And again, I'll just temporarily hide that element. And you can see now that that's our arrangement there. In reality, these are probably a little bit heavy, is what I'd say to you. But look, we're getting the principle across here. We probably put some diagonal bracing across like that as well. And again, look, we'll cover that in semester two. I think that again is all about manipulating reference planes and things like that. That is for semester two. But we've got our roof set up like so. And I'm going to go back to my section four, and I'm delighted with that. That has worked out really well. Okay. Let's go back into our 3D here now, and let's turn back on our roof because now don't worry about that there. All right. So what has happened is that the end of the truss is just matching the end point of the roof here. But we're going to cover this over with a fascia. All right. Now I'm probably going to have to go for a deeper fascia here because of that little extra piece down here on the truss. So let's do that first of all. Let's get that done. So I'm into my roof command here, and I'm into fascia, and I'm into edit type, and I'm going to choose a deeper profile here, the 286 profile. It's a wood laminate, and that's fine. And I will pick that point there. Now you can see that we've covered over, and this is what would happen on site. That fascia will be connected into the end point of those joists there. All right, so there's those two. I'm going to escape. Yeah, I'm going to put in a barge board here as well now. And the quickest way to do that again is fascia, and I'll keep it the same. It's probably a little bit over thick for this one here. And again, you can see that it's coming down in this little point, and we would need to manipulate that, but we will get to that in semester two. And then the last thing I'm going to do on my roof here is I'm going to put in my gutter at a type. So I'm going to accept the 125 by 125. Let's put in a material category here, which might be a PVC or an aluminium or something like that. So let's put in do I have an aluminium here? It's always when you go looking for it that you can't find it. So we'll do a metal aluminium. Now I'll change the color, but I'm just going to do that for the moment here. Okay, make sure you pick the outer edge of the fascia there. I'm going to come around the corner here. I'm going to go in there and pick the outer edge there. If you pick the inner edge of that fascia, it'll end up putting the gutter on the inside here. And again, you can see there's an open plate there, but look, these are all little details which need to be done, which we will pick up. We're doing the overall basics here. Okay, so that's probably not bad. Let's do a shaded view and take a look at that. You can see my slate pattern has come up there quite nicely. Yeah, I'll definitely change the color of that gutter. I don't want a white PVC gutter sitting on that, but that's not a problem there. Okay, so we'll pick this up now in the next video.